Alright guys, we're still rolling after hours of searching. I had to wind up buying this piece. This is the piece that I'm going to need to hook the radio up. This piece costs $66 because it comes with this this little I don't even know what this is. I guess it's supposed to like stop the static and stuff from you know, from your radio. So this plugs up. So as you see those two cords right there, those will go in here, and then this piece goes into the little module. So we about to get that hooked up. We're finally on our way back home. Came up to like 70 bucks. I did not want to spend 70 bucks, but we had to get it done because I couldn't find it nowhere else, and I want to get this car sold. And we're about to run out of gas, so I'll hit you guys when everything is hooked up. I'm on my way to the crib right now, and this bad boy will be ready to go. Alright, what's going on guys? We just made it back home. About to hook the radio up. Had to buy this from Walmart. Factory stereo replacement interface. I just wanted the wiring harness, but you had to get the little whatever this is. I guess this would be maybe the interface. That it stops static, and the dude said that it'll stop the check engine light and all. Like the check engine light won't come on because you just can't use like the wiring harness. That's what he said. But well, that's what he said when I called you know, an audio shop. But I got this from Walmart. It was 66 bucks. Came out to like 70 something. I did not want to spend $70, and it comes with more wire harnesses too, but I only needed this one. I was looking all day just for this one with the two heads on it, because well, two females, because these are the two males here. So I already have a little antenna in here. So we about to hook up a radio. Probably about to do this one. I got it in the back right here. So probably about to hook this up. Yeah, I think this is my best looking one. So we about to hook this up, and I'm about to do this in the house because I can just, you know, attach these wires in the house. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys to show you how it looks. And matter of fact, let me show you guys how the car looks now that I got it all cleaned. So this is how it looks. I'm sorry, I got some stuff in the back, but let me show y'all the front. That's the front. Nice car. Nice car. So let me get to hooking this radio up, and I'll show you guys how it looks after it's done. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we at a standstill, so I might end up taking all this back because got everything hooked up. Once I hook these two up, some lights come on a dash, like the ABS light, the brake light, all type of lights. This light wasn't on, but now it won't go off, so I'm probably gonna have to reset the take the battery terminal off real quick. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna mess with a factory radio. I don't know what's going on. The radio's not even cutting on, and then when I hook these up, it does something weird. So back to square one. I guess I just don't know what I'm doing. I might have to get somebody expertise on it. So we'll see. Alright guys, another day, another dollar. We're gonna get a radio out of Junkyard. So these screws was already loose. I'm glad it was the first one. First car I went to, it was good to go. So this is a 2012. Mine is actually a 2008. But oh man, it's giving me a hard time. But yeah, 2012. So let's see if this is gonna do us right. And we are in the famous junkyard. We are in the famous junkyard. Let me get this out of my way so I can actually get in this bad boy. I actually hit y'all. I'm not even sure if this is gonna fit, because the dealer said it has to be programmed, and they charge $130 to program it. So I'm probably just gonna put it in and take it off the price of the car. Let's see what we got. Yep, that's what we need. So we're gonna take this one and get up out of here. Alright guys, we're in the Malibu again, and this car is really getting on my nerves. I hooked it up, got everything put back together. It was working. It just, you couldn't see the screen. I was gonna run with that until now. The radio is not working at all. It's lighting up, but now the speakers are not playing. So this is actually getting on my nerves. So it's like, might end up selling the car just like this, because this is really irking me. I'm gonna try one more time and go get another radio from the junkyard again. So I'm gonna try one more time, go get another one from there, and we'll see. This is really irritating because it was just playing. It just didn't have a screen. Now don't have no sound at all, but I had sound. So I'll catch you guys later. Hopefully I sell this car just like this. This is really irritating me, but tomorrow, if I feel like it, I'll head that way again. I think I might have to go that way tomorrow anyway. So alright, that's it for this video. We still trying to hook up the Malibu. I'll catch you guys later.